Okay, Grayson has a green number cube and a white number cube. The faces of the cubes are numbered 1 through 6. Grayson will roll each cube one time. What is the probability the green cube will land on an even number? And the white cube will land on a number greater than 2. So here's your options for cube 1. Here's your options for cube 2. So an even number is 2, 4, 6. So that's 3 out of 6. And then a number greater than 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can reduce this to 1/2 times 2/3, and then simplify, and you'll get 1/3. So C is the answer on number 9. Number 10, Mike has a stack of 10 cards numbered 1 through 10. He randomly chooses a card without replacing it. What is the probability that Mike would pick 2 cards that are prime? So 2 cards that are prime, the probability in the first one, prime is going to be this one, this one, this one, and this one. So 4 out of 10. And then we took 1 out, so we have 3 left, and we have 9 total cards. Okay, multiply it. You're going to get 12/90ths, which reduce. So if we reduce this, I know it reduces by 3, so I'm going to get 4 here and 3 here. 30ths is and 2/15. That gives one. Okay, number 11. Okay, Mildred, this one is tricky, but it's just looking about the probability of a dime and then a penny. Well, dime is 10 out of 16 total coins. We took a coin out, so we have 15 left, and then there's only 1 penny. So if you cross reduce it, okay, and then this can be reduced to 1/8. So 1 times 1 is 1, 8 times 3 is 24, and there we go. Okay, number 12. The track coach consists of 7 hurdlers. The track team consists of 7 hurdlers, 6 high jumpers, and 3 sprinters. The track coach wants to randomly name a captain for the next week. What is the probability? Written as a decimal, the person will be a high jumper. How many high jumpers are there? There's 6. Out of how many total track team? 7 plus 6. Okay, 7, 13, 14, 15, 16. So out of 16. Well, if I reduce that, it's going to get 3/8. I need to make it a decimal. So I'm going to divide the top by the bottom. And I got right there 56, 4, and then that's going to be 5. So that's going to zero out. So 0.375. Okay, number 13. Fazio selecting a jersey. He's shown. Fazio chooses a jersey at random, then replaces it. He then selects a second jersey. He replaces it. So they're all going to be out of 10 because there's 10 total jerseys. We're looking at striped. We have 1, 2 the first time times striped the second one. So 1/5 times 1/5 equals 1/25, which is answer choice C. On our last page, Mark went to a sandwich shop. He had a choice of 2 types of bread, 3 meats, and 3 drinks. How many different combinations? Well, it's going to be 2 times 3 times 3. So 6 times 3 is 18. No, you were. Okay, and number 5. How many possible outcomes? Well, there's 6 here and 4 here. So 6 times 4 is 24. There you go. Make sure you turn in your corrections to your appropriate teacher.